If you already started the green card process with H1B, can you still switch to another visa?
Yeah, so I mean, it's a little delicate, and we've had clients always working with an immigration counsel on the process with deciding on essentially there's some visas that are dual intent, like the L1 visa, H1B, and other ones that aren't, they're non-immigrant. The intent is that you go back home, like the F1 student visa. So, going from H1B to student visa when you've already started the green card process, is it possible? Yes. Is it delicate and you gotta, do everything really correctly? What we've had clients do is more to the E2 visa or the O1 visa. And as long as they haven't already filed an adjustment of status or applied at the consulate abroad for the green card interview, they haven't had a problem with obtaining that visa. But for that type of case, I would definitely, and we're happy to organize with that visa franchise a consultation with an immigration attorney to really get in the nitty gritty to make sure that you're not having issues with being out of status or, problems with your intention to what you're saying to the US government you're going to do and actually doing something different.
Thanks for that information, Patrick. And one thing, if I need to add something there, and you say if you already started the green card process with H1B, I assume it refers to EB2. Maybe the perm has been filed, and that's an immigrant visa, right? And then the question would be, what can you switch it to? Non-immigrant visas. Again, these are questions to immigration attorneys, but based on our experience, you could technically switch to another immigrant visa category. That could be an EB1.
We've had our own clients do that where EB2 and AW is taking too long, and they switch over to EB1A. Yeah. And I can think of one case, for example, he was on an E2 visa and went EB2 and AW, got approved, but it was taking too long and switched over to EB1A. So whether it's the actual visa, non-immigrant visa switching over or immigrant, it's good to kind of better understand the full story.